Today I instruct, stroke technique. Even though we use, point and, blunt haircut technique, if you want, shaggy or texture, means, tapering, looks like this kind of texture. We generally, use, stroke technique. It can make hair strands, say texture. As we know, in order to use, stroke technique, basic, skill is, how can hold the scissors. So now, how to grasp, the scissors, for stroke technique. When using stroke technique, I think, grasping scissors, in safe way. It means no hurt against your fingers. So I think, grasp scissors with your fingers, firmly, like this, and the grasping, the scissors firmly, you must, you must position your thumb fingers, like this, not this. If you grasp the scissors like this, you can feel safe and comfortable, feeling. Secondly, the practice is position your, arm, your body around here, and put your another, arm in your hands, and just after your scissors being, slightly open like this, and position your body and swing like this, and close and open, close and open. Not 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Practice like this until you feel comfortable, fix, and only your fingers, this angle, not just the 45, this 0 degree and 45 degree. That enough, it's enough. And like this, and down, up, side stroke. Generally, stroke technique, classifying two kinds of, stroke technique. The one is the starting point of scissors against hair strands. It is classified, three kinds. One is a short stroke, and the second is a medium stroke, and the third is a long stroke. And the other, is the position of scissors against hair strands. It also, classified, three kinds, side, up, down stroke technique. So I saw what is, short, medium, long, side up stroke, down stroke. They, first lesson, just a brief, this description of 6 kinds of stroke technique. Now, before doing demonstration on six kinds of stroke technique. The one thing you remember is stroke technique is dry cut technique. So don't spray wet what I mean water spray. If you want, just a little 10% side stroke and starting point twist in 45-degree angle like this. And starting point means the tip of scissors the tip of scissors is a short stroke. Middle scissors middle position of scissors is medium, and the tip position of scissors is long stroke technique. So you start point when this against the hair strands. Where is it the start point? This short, medium, long. So now doing demonstration on short stroke. Next time I detailed description. Short, medium, long side up stroke, down stroke. Look at this saggy texture. Because using short stroke, hair strong, saggy texture can be sewn on hair ends. If you want middle part, we can get it by medium stroke technique. The starting point of scissors, middle area part of scissors like this. Because using medium stroke technique, we can the saggy texture can be seen on middle part of hair strands like this. Please compare to short stroke technique. Long stroke technique means we use starting point the inner part of the scissors. I do demonstrate now. Starting point of long stroke technique is the inner position of scissors like this. And so we can, after using long stroke technique, we can see the saggy texture can be seen on on the deep saggy texture than medium stroke technique. As we can see, the saggy texture can be deep than middle area of hair strands like this compared to medium stroke technique. So usually I dare to say generally we can using medium stroke technique. I demonstrated the start point short, medium, long stroke. Now is up and down stroke. Down stroke. This has been done by downstroke technique. upstroke plus top starting point is a medium stroke technique. Second texture can be on middle area of hair strands like this. The first section today I explained the stroke technique and stroke technique, grasping scissors, tutorial, and 6 kinds of stroke technique: short, medium, long, side up, down stroke. 6 kinds of stroke technique with the dolly. Next, the second lection I explain detailed demonstration on short, medium, long, side up, down, how to grasp on hair strands and angles like this. And then the other lesson I make hair forms, hair design on such like graduated form with the stroke technique.